Guys, I saw this terribly written article in the news today. Lorraine Explains sued 2 years after an accident. It talks about frivolous lawsuits where all lawyers sue for the exact same thing just at the 2 year mark, and they're barely injured, the people. Just so you guys know, there are only a certain limited number of things you can sue for in a personal injury accident. So that's why lawyers are always suing for the same thing. It's suing for pain and suffering, suing for your income loss, suing for your care costs, your housekeeping claim, your out-of-pocket expenses. There's nothing else to sue for. So of course we're all going to sue for the same thing. Now as for the 2 year mark, yes, there's a 2 year limitation period for all personal injury actions that happen in Ontario, assuming that the person is over 18 years old. Some lawyers wait to the 2 year mark. Some lawyers start claims right away. I usually start my claims within a few months after an accident, so it's not a last minute thing. But one thing she does say in the article, which is very important, is to make sure you are advising your insurance company after an accident. Regardless of if you think it's a small fender bender or a very serious accident, it's important that you advise your insurance company. If you're lending your car to kids, like to your child, hopefully with a driver's license, then you need to make sure that if your child gets into an accident that they tell you right away, because not telling the insurance company could result in some coverage issues, which could be very expensive for you down the road. So yes, she does bring up a good point about telling your insurance company after an accident about the accident, but all this bullshit about, oh, lawyers sue for the wrong things, or they wait till the last minute, or they always take a settlement for far less than what the claim is saying. These are all very common practices. Of course, we're going to sue for the maximum amount and figure out what the case is worth later. So most of the article is bullshit, but there are some good points about coverage issues and making sure the insurance company is aware of any accidents that happen right away. If there's any questions, let me know, but this article is mostly bullshit.